In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Google Contacts from Bigin CRM. This can be an essential step if you're looking to manage your contacts independently or if you want to stop sharing contacts between your Google account and Bigin CRM. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to easily deactivate the synchronization of your Google Contacts with Bigin, helping you maintain a clean and organized contact database. Let's start by logging into your Bigin CRM account. You'll need to access your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you should be directed to the main dashboard. If you're not there already, go ahead and navigate to the home screen where you see the usual menu options. Now from the dashboard, look for the settings icon. This typically appears as a gear icon. Give it a click, and this will direct you to the settings menu where you can control various integrations and configurations for your Bigin CRM account. Within the settings menu, you'll want to find the section that deals with integrations. This is sometimes labeled as integrations, or in some versions, you might find it under the label toppings. Click on this section to proceed to the integration options that are available to you. Once you've entered the integrations or toppings area, search for Google. You're looking for the specific integrations available with your Google account. You'll see a list of options tied to your Google services. Next to your connected Google account, you should find a button labeled Manage. Click Manage to open more settings related to your Google account integration. At this stage, you'll see several sections related to the different types of data synchronization between Google and Bigin. Focus on the Contacts section. This is where you'll find the option to manage the contact synchronization specifically. Here, you'll find the Deactivate button associated with the Google Contacts link. Clicking Deactivate will stop the process that shares and syncs your contacts between Google and Bigin. Once you click Deactivate, a prompt will appear to confirm your decision. The prompt is designed to make sure you understand that deactivating this feature will stop the synchronization of contacts between the two platforms. Go ahead and confirm this action. After confirming, your Google Contacts will no longer be synced with your Bigin CRM account. You may want to review your Bigin contact list and ensure everything is as you prefer, and that's it. You've successfully unlinked Google Contacts from Bigin CRM. Remember, if you ever wish to re-enable or check on other settings, you can always revisit the integration section. We hope this tutorial helped you take control of your contact management. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below.